Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at how we can plot points on the number plane. So as you all know, a number plane has both a horizontal x-axis and a vertical y-axis. And so points can be plotted on the number plane based on a set of coordinates. Those coordinates always have like an x and a y. The x value always tells you how far left or right you're going to go. The y value within tell you how far up you're going to go, starting at that center point where the two axes meet, called the origin. So if we look just to the right here really quickly, we see that this point here, and which I've called A, starting from the origin goes 2 across, so that's why the x value is 2, and then it goes up 4, so it means the y value is 4. So the coordinates of that point is 2, 4. Similarly here, looking at B, it's negative 3.5, 1. So negative meaning that the x value is negative. That means we're going left from the origin. And because it's negative 3.5, that means it has to be halfway between negative 3 and negative 4. And then up 1 because the y value is 1. C is we got negative 2 and then down to negative 2.75. So negative 2.75 means it's pretty close to negative 3, but not there just yet. And lastly, D is 4, 0. So we go 4 across and then 0 up or down, just saying there. So a few basic examples. So in this, we just want to plot the following points. Here I've drawn up the graph, but we need to make sure that we have a scale on our axes as well. So I'm just going to put them in. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Making sure that these are all evenly spaced out. You can't just skip numbers or anything like that. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going up as well. And then as we go to the negative numbers, so on the x-axis going to the left is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Making sure that whatever is closest to the origin, that's where you would start with the negative 1 and the negative 2. It goes outwards, not inwards. And then going down on my y-axis, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. So now just plotting these points, starting off with A, we want to go 3, starting at the origin, we're going 3 across and then 1 down. So 3, negative 1, so 3 across, 1 down. Plot that point there, and we'll just label that A. B is at 0, negative 1.5. So 0 means we're not going left or right at all. And then we go straight down to negative 1.5. Negative 1.5 would be halfway between negative 1 and negative 2. So I'll just chuck it right there. Call that B. C is negative 2. So we're going back negative 2 and then up 4.25. So 4.25, you would know the quarter is 0.25, so it'll be just a bit above a 4 rather. So we plot that there and we can call that C. And then lastly, D is at 2.5, so we're going across to 2.5, that's halfway between 2 and 3, and then up to 3 2/3. So 3 2/3, kind of like 0.66666, so probably just above halfway. So we go up to 3 and just a bit above that, 2.5, 3 2/3, and we'll plot it about there, and we'll label that D. That's all it is for this one. Just being able to plot points is a useful skill in all kinds of walks of life. Have fun.